everyone, Claudia Bazar here, National Executive Director with Pampered Chef, and I'm so excited to show you our brand new Pampered Chef starter kits. This is how you can start a Pampered Chef side hustle, okay? The kits in itself are an amazing deal. They're about 70% of retail price, and it's like a kitchen makeover bundle that you receive just for giving this business a try. So let me walk you through the 3 options that you currently have to buy a starter kit and what it includes. Wouldn't you love to have all of these and some of our power tools in your kitchen? So let's get started. So number 1, we have our starter kit, which is $79, and it's over $400 worth of products, okay? So it comes with our everyday rock crock. This right here is a great tool in your kitchen. It can go anywhere. You can cook on your stovetop, microwave, oven, outside, anywhere you want. You get some of our pea protein. You get a set of our flexible cutting mats. You get salad choppers, mix and chop. Everybody needs that. We might already have one of those. You get a second one. Our 7-inch chef's knives, our mix and scraper, garlic press, and our garlic and herb seasoning. So all of this plus catalogs and a consultant tote, paperwork, and a free website for 90 days. All this for $79, right? This is worth $400 if you were to just buy it, okay? But then you might think, maybe I can afford the medium kit, which is called our Deluxe Kit, which is $159, and that is worth over $750, okay? So what happens when you upgrade to that kit? Number 1, the everyday pan actually gets a little bigger and turns in our Dutch oven pan, so it just gets a little deeper. It almost doubles in size. And then what are we adding on, okay? So we're adding on our manual food processor. We're adding on our microwave popcorn maker. We're adding on, here we go. We're adding on our classic batter bowl filled with even more goodies. You get our mini serving spatula. This is super popular. Our chef's tongs. You get a can opener, measure all cup, measuring spoons, and citrus press. And we couldn't leave you hanging and not give you a stoneware pan as well. So you also get our large, new redesigned stoneware bar pan. So all of this, again, to summarize it, for $159, okay? The rock crock alone is worth over $100, so you're already in, you know, it's already a great deal, all right? So then you're like, but I want it all, okay? So the biggest kit is $279, and it's worth over $1,000. So you get all these things. But in the ultimate kit, we're going to add on a few more things, and don't stop watching the video yet because there's more, okay? So you get our newest, hottest mandolin. This is the guy for French fries, sweet potato fries, slicing and making, you know, dicing and all the things. This is our rapid prep mandolin. So you get that as well. You get our little silicone, and you also get our silicone prep bowls. But wait, there is more, okay? So all of this for $279, but the bonus is when you choose the ultimate kit, you get to pick from one of our power tools. So you get to pick from our new Deluxe Grill and Griddle, okay? So this one has interchangeable plates. It is like thebomb.com. Our air fryer, which has been so popular, right? It's like a mini easy bake oven, but better. Or our Deluxe Cooking Blender. Yes, I said cooking. It actually cooks your raw vegetables into a soup, okay? It actually heats your food, and it has a heated wash cycle. So one of these plus all of this for $279. Let me just tell you that all of these sell for more than $279, okay? So it's kind of like buying one of these and getting all of this free, and also getting a business, a side hustle to make a little bit of extra money, to, you know, join a fun community, to get all the products in your kitchen, and just to have some fun. So these are all 3 of our starter kits. So I would love to know which one of these. Is it the starter kit? Is it the Deluxe Kit? Or is it the ultimate kit? Sign me up, I want all of it. Which one would you choose today?